Let's sound it out together.
Okay, Grandpa.
Ka-ta.
Cat! I got it! Hey, Kitty, it's raining so much. You're so soft and cozy. Here, Kitty, some more milk for you. You're so cute drinking that. Mama!
That's it, sweetie. You're doing great.
This is fun. It's getting squishy.
Perfect. You're a natural.
Can I make a cookie? Daddy, you're home!
I missed you, sweetie.
Vida!
Here you go, sweetie.
For you, Dad.
They look amazing.
Enjoy, everyone.
Samile,
Yes, Sam?
I love you.
I love you too.